ओम गुरुर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार dear students. Save tree and tree will save us. Give respect to others, others will give respect to you. First you give and then you take. These are all principles of this world, this earth actually. Give the best, get the best. So, in the chapter number 3, the cherry tree, poet has sown the seeds of the cherry tree and he got cherry fruits. First you sow, then you reap. जैसा बोओगे वैसा पाओगे. So dear students, this chapter is very important for all of us and learn a lesson for our life. With this everybody, we are gonna revise the questions answer discussion in this video number 1, chapter number 3, the cherry tree. Alright dear students, let's be ready and open your book, page number 32, question number A. Answer in brief. Question number 1. Why did Rakesh plant the seed of the cherry tree? Understand? Very easy question. Let's see the answer. Rakesh planted the seed of the cherry tree because grandfather said that for anything to be lucky, one needed to use it. And the best way to use the seed was to plant it. What is lucky thing actually? When we use correctly it. If you see the seed, what is the use of seed? Not many time, jamun, then mango, whatever we eat, and then after we throw the seed away. These seeds are not lucky. If we plant it then and then, it will be lucky because it will grow and give us the fruits. So over here, grandfather gave Rakesh advice to plant it, then and then it will be lucky for him. Right dear students, very easy question and answer. Number 2, where did grandfather ask Rakesh to sow the seed? Grandfather advised Rakesh to plant the cherry seed in a shady corner where it won't be disturbed. Very easy. Let's go forward. Question number 3. In which season did the cherry tree grow quickly? Answer. The cherry tree grew quickly in the rainy season. Basic requirement for the cherry seeds to grow quickly is rainy season. Question number 4. How old was Rakesh when the first flower bloomed? When the first flower bloomed, Rakesh was 9 years old. Question number 5. What did Rakesh mean when he said, "As is what it feels like to be God? Answer 5. By these words, Rakesh had meant that God, who is the creator of everything, whatever we see around us, must be filled with wonder at each of His creations and love each of His creations as much. In short, whenever we create anything by our hands, we feel that we are the creator of this thing. I have created, I have painted, I have explained, I have prepared the video. So we become the owner of this creation and we feel like the God of this creation. Actually, this is God's grace. By this grace, we can take a breath. We can exhibit our skill. We can do anything, whatever best, the best thing, whatever the superb things, any great inventions have been invented. Behind all this success and invention and all these things, there is a God grace. There is a God's grace. Everybody. Now, let's see the question number B. Reference to contest. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. Number 1. Maybe it will die now. Maybe it will die now. Let's see the questions. There are 3 questions, A, B and C. Question number A. Who said these to whom? This word said, who said this and to whom? Rakesh said these words to grandfather. What had happened? Question number B. What had happened? Answer B. Towards the end of the rainy season, a woman who was cutting grass on the hillside cut the cherry tree in 2 with one sweep of her scythe. It was cut. This incident had happened. Question number 3. Did the speaker's fear come true? Answer, no. For as grandfather said, cherry trees are very hardy and it soon grew again. So the speaker's fear did not come true. Alright, dear students? Question number 2. Let's read the lines. There are so many trees in the forest. Why do we like these trees so much? There are 2 questions, A and B. Let's see the question number A. When were these words spoken? Actually, who has spoken these words? I want to ask extra question. Rakesh, yes, Rakesh. Rakesh to grandfather. But when were these words spoken? Answer. One warm Sunday afternoon, when the cherry tree had grown tall and the cherries had grown on it, Rakesh went into the garden and lay down on the grass beneath the tree. Soon grandfather joined him. He came there. As they lay and stars came out. For a long time they spent. Rakesh asked the question to grandfather, why do we like this tree so much rather than others? Question number B now. What did grandfather say in reply? Answer of the question. Let's see the answer. Grandfather said that it was so. Why do you like this tree so much? It was so because they had planted it themselves and had watched it grow and had taken care of this tree. First of all, seed plant in every season, now and then they have taken care of it. That's why, Rakesh, you like this tree so much rather than other. Grandfather replied the question of Rakesh. Alright, dear students. Now, let's begin. Question C. Answer in detail. There are total 5 questions. Let's see one by one. Question number 1. What did grandfather tell Rakesh about luck? In the beginning, right? Let's see the answer. Grandfather told Rakesh that nothing was lucky if it was put away. Put away. Nothing will be lucky. Even very small stone, if you don't use the stone, it will be in vain. Without use, anything in the world will be unlucky. So to be lucky, it had to be put to some use. Alright, dear students? If we believe ourselves lucky, because there is some use of us. Useless person can't be lucky. Useless things can't be lucky. If you want to make yourself lucky, you want to be useful in your life to others. Right, dear students? Question number 2. How did Rakesh react on seeing the cherry twig? Answer 2. Rakesh was very excited to see that twig and immediately called his grandfather. He reminded grandfather that the cherry tree's seed that they have planted the previous year had grown into a tiny plant. When grandfather asked him to water it, Rakesh sprinkled some water from a watering can and circled it with some pebbles. Make border actually. He made border. Some pebbles, making a special place for the cherry tree so that it will be protected. Alright? This is the answer. Second question. How did Rakesh know it was spring? Let's see the answer. Answer number 3. Rakesh knew it was spring when he saw the wild ducks that were migratory birds flying north to Siberia as it had grown warmer. Alright, dear students? So this sign, whenever a migratory bird flying north to Siberia, so it is an indication of the coming spring season. Alright, dear students? Alright. We'll keep over here till here. Question number 4, 5, question D, think and answer. Question E, know your values. These questions we'll discuss in the video number 2. Right, dear students? Till now, namaskar and have a good day.